Hey, what's up, tubers? This is Superdell, and today I got another video. This is more of a fun video, and this is for people who have multiple Amazon Fire TV streaming devices. So this includes all the sticks. This includes tablets. This includes the cube. But right now we're gonna stick with like the sticks and the cube. I'm going to show you how to change your name of your device. Just in case you need to work on a device or you want to send some data to that device, you will know exactly what to do. And it's fairly easy, all right? So first things first, what I want to do, I'm gonna go, let me move myself to the other side right quick. Okay? First thing you want to do, you want to go to the hamburger menu if you have the new user interface. If not, if you don't have that, you're going to have to go all the way to the right and go to your settings. So what we're going to do, we need to learn the name of our device. So again, in the new user interface, I'm going to go with the hamburger menu. Once I do that, I'm going to go down here to settings. And then we're going to go to My Fire TV. Let's click that one time. And right here at About, we're going to click About to get the name of this device. So when I click on About, it gives me Dell's Ninth Fire TV. All right, so this is the name, Dell's Ninth Fire TV. That's what it says, Dell Ninth Fire TV. So I just have to remember that right there, and then we go from there. Okay, now let me move this. Let me move this back to this side, because now that we got Dell's Ninth Fire TV, we need to go to Amazon. Okay, so make sure you go to your Amazon.com, just a regular website on your browser, on your phone. But what you want to do is scroll all the way down to the bottom, guys. Keep going all the way to the bottom. And then this last little tab category over here, it says Let Us Help You. There's one down here that says Manage Your Content and Devices. You want to click that. And again, this is how you change the name of your device. So from here, I'm going to make this a little bit smaller so that way you see it. All right, let me do this. Just a little bit right there. All right. From there, you got something, a tab that says devices. It's right here. You got content, devices, preference, privacy setting. I'm going to click on devices. And then it gives me Fire TV, Echo, Fire tablets, and a Luna controller. I do have a Luna controller, okay? Don't use it much. May have used it twice. But right here, I'm going to select Fire TV. And right here, as you see, it gives me a whole bunch of devices that I have. Like devices that I have not even used, guys. I have not used. But I need to find where mine said Dell's Ninth Fire TV. I think this is it right here. Okay? Because it didn't say stick. It just said Dell's Ninth Fire TV. All right? But as you can see, I have all of these devices, including the old one right here. So I got a bunch of devices on here. Even have a smart television by Amazon. But I'm going to go over here. I'm going to select Dell's Ninth Fire TV. So once I select it, right here, there's something that says edit. Hopefully you'll be able to see that. But it says edit right here. So I'm going to edit. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to just change the name right quick. I'm going to call it Superdell. I'm going to say Lab Fire TV. Okay, so I put in there Superdell Lab Fire TV. So I'm going to save it. And you see that it changed right here. So I know, all right, you see it exactly right here, Superdell Lab Fire TV. So now let's go back to my stick, okay? And let's go out. Maybe I have to go all the way out. But let's go back to the hamburger menu. Let's go back to the setting. Let's go to my Fire TV. And let's go to About. And look at that. It changed it right there. So this is a neat little way, just in case you have multiple devices in your home, instead of it saying your name first, your name second, your name third, you can actually give it a name. That way, if you're working on a device, or maybe you making a device for someone you're going to give a stick to, you can do it right there. It's really simple. Really, if you buy it. Now, if your family members or your client buy it, that'll be something different. You got to let them do that. But if you get it up under your name and you send it out, you can actually change the name, make it a unique name. That way, you know what device you're working on. This is another little tip and trick that you can do. I don't know if y'all knew about that or not, but if you didn't, now you know. If you're not subscribed to the channel, because my analytics is saying I'm getting a lot of people looking at my videos, but they're not subscribed. Come on, guys. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Also, share this video, because this right here can help somebody. Thumbs up the video and also hit that bell icon. That way, you get notified anytime I present something on YouTube. Again, this is it right here. I appreciate the love, guys. Y'all been giving me over the last week and a half, 2 weeks, and I hope it continues. And as long as you encourage me by thumbs up and subscribing to the channel, I will bring you more and more content. Salute to y'all all. Y'all be safe. This is Superdell, and I'm out. Peace.